All right, so a little bit about what this channel is going to be. But first, I want to tell you a little bit about me. My background is I did construction, I did radio for 18 years. I own my own business doing background music for stores. I then sold that business and now do the same thing for the company that purchased my business. And during all of that time, I have a huge love for Halloween costumes. I have a 15-year-old daughter and an almost 8-year-old daughter. Love putting together costumes for them and doing costume work for myself. I love tons of YouTube channels like Odin Makes, Make Something, Tested, Punish Props Academy, lots of others. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and with my background, I have a lot of projects that I want to do, and I have enough knowledge that I feel I should be able to do things, whether they're projects around my house. I live on 5 acres, so there's always something from barns to some sort of landscaping to working on my 1967 Volkswagen bus to trying to get 501st approval for different Star Wars costumes. Yes, I am a giant nerd, and I have 3D printers, I have a Glowforge, I have a Shaper, I have a Cricut, and I love to put together costumes. And what I would love to do is get 501st approval on a couple of these. The problem is I get almost done with something and I don't quite finish it. I have a Shore Trooper costume that I'm about 99% done, and then The Mandalorian came on and I started a Mandalorian costume. And now I'm about 99% done on that one. Started a Tank Trooper, I've got a Kylo Ren, I need to finish some of these projects. And I found my daughter, who's getting into going to different conventions and stuff like that, I found that the pressure of knowing that there's a deadline seems to help. When eyes are on you, you seem to do better. And so I'm hoping with this YouTube channel and with the help of all of you, if I get stuck on something or I'm not happy with the way something is turning out, your feedback could inspire me to be able to finish. And I have a lot of projects that I need to finish. A lot of really interesting things that I know how to do that I can kind of share my knowledge and hopefully learn a lot from you as well. I kept putting this off, doing this channel. I've had the URL for a long time, but I didn't do it because I kept waiting for the right camera equipment and the right lighting and the right fill in the blank. But that's kind of my problem with all of these projects, is I keep waiting for everything to be perfect, and it never is. So I thought, I'm just going to set up my phone, I'm going to shoot my first video. I'm sure this will get remade as the introduction to the channel, but I'm tired of waiting, and in theme of this channel, try to finish something. This is video 1 done, the first video on the channel. And I've got a long list of things that we can work on together, and hopefully you'll join me on that journey. You can learn some stuff from me, and hopefully I can learn from you, and the prying eyes of everybody seeing me putting these projects off will help me actually finally try to finish something. Thanks for watching.